baking soda is far too alkaline for your skin. Yes, because our natural pH level on our skin is around 5.5, which make it slightly too acid to use a product like baking soda. Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, guys. Hi everyone, it's your girl Violet and you are welcome back to Violet Beauty World TV. And if today is your first time passing my channel, you have been here but you haven't subscribed, or you are just visiting or passing by, please I would like you to click on the red subscription button down here that says subscribe. And that's not all. I need you to also turn the bell notification on in order to be notified whenever I post my videos. And guess what? You'll be the first person to be notified whenever I post my videos. So that's being said, shout out to my hot subscribers. Those of you that keep supporting me. Like, I'm really happy surrounded by people like you. You don't know what you have done to me. I'm really happy. Shout out to those of you that subscribe to my channel. Like, keep going up and up. Like, we are there. I'm so happy. I'm super excited about that. And thank you all for 4,000 plus watch hours. We did it. Thank you. Like, we barely on 1,000 subscribers, but we have 4,000 plus watch hours. Like, God is awesome. I'm so happy and I'm so excited for those of you that stop by, those of you that watch my videos, those of you that click the red subscription button, those of you that comment. All of you are awesome. Like, we did it together. Please subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Okay, please subscribe so that you will see more of me on this YouTube channel. So guys, today we'll be doing some DIY you should not do yourself. Yeah, some DIY you should not do yourself. Some dangerous DIY you should never try to do, because it's not all DIY that you should do yourself. No. So I was on YouTube and I scrolled on this. She was doing DIY, like, who apply baking soda face. Why would anyone apply baking soda without missing anything or try to regulate the acidic? Apply it on your face for 7 days. You say what? Then, like, that is too dangerous. That can cause a skin irritation and whatever. It can damage your skin. Honestly, I will not recommend anybody to use product like baking soda on your face. No, the skin on your face is not that thick for you to apply such thing on your face. Even when you want to do it, please do it in a way that you might try to regulate it. Don't just apply it on your skin like that. Like that DIY, do it yourself. Don't do that yourself, please. It's really bad and might cost you much in future. So I will not advise anybody to do any of such. So today we're going to be making some dangerous DIY you should not apply on your face. We have 3 products you should not apply on your face. The first in our lips is baking soda. Baking soda is far too alkaline because our natural skin has a pH level of around 5.5. Make it slightly too acidic when we use products like baking soda and others that are too acidic. Is not really good, because baking soda has a pH level of 8.3. Applying something like this on your face, leaving it for 10 minutes, 5 minutes will spoil your face. Please stop doing it wrong. Even if you want to apply baking soda on your face, please, you need to apply something that will protect your skin first. It's very important. You should try to protect your face. It's not all DIY videos you just jump into. You need to do some research. You need to know if this thing is good for you, because if it actually work for Sylvia, it does not mean it's going to work for Ella. So guys, the second will be lime. Lemon juice is highly acidic. Lemon juice can cause permanent damage to your skin. Lemon juice can change the natural pH level of your skin. Lemon juice can cause you damages. It can cause you potentially skin irritation, blemishes and all. Using lemon can be good for the first, second time, but please don't use it as exfoliator. Even if you are using lemon, please try and apply something that will protect your skin. Just as I said before in the baking soda, protect your skin, because using those things that is too acidic, that is harsh, is not good, because it can cause you sunburn, it can cause you blemishes, and it can make your skin too sensitive to the sun. Whenever you just go to the sun, your skin will just be sensitive. Whenever it's summer, your skin reacts differently. Another one is toothpaste. A lot of you are just been applying toothpaste on your face. I understand that toothpaste help you to dry out pimples according to what I read about it, but please do it in a way. You don't apply toothpaste on your face as face mark. I saw a DIY video when somebody was applying toothpaste on their face for a face mark. Using toothpaste on your skin is no. Even if you want to use it to remove pimples, just apply it on that spot and don't use it to do face mark. No, because this can cause skin dullness, skin sensitive, reddish, irritations, peeling, burning and all. So these are the 3 DIY you should not apply on your skin. Applying all these DIY on your skin can cause you burners, skin irritation, reddish, white patches, green veins and all those stuff. So please apply something natural on your skin. Even if you want to use all these things, try to regulate it. Don't just put it on your face like that. So if you know you like this video, you like this topic, please give this video a thumbs up. I just want to share to us that it's not all DIY we should try on our face. Thank you guys for watching. Again, I remain your humble girl Violet. Thank you for watching. Help me to hit the red subscription button again, please. We need to get there. There is a amount of subscribers I'm wishing to have before I will do know me video. Please, you really need to know me. So guys, thank you all, my beautiful subscribers. I appreciate you all. We do a lot of video in this channel. We do a video about DIYs, makeups, hairs, like this hair, the one that made this hair. You see the hair? Yeah, I make things like this. I make for people, I also make for myself. So if you're interested, you can also let me know and I'll make for you. yeah, I'm going to compensate you. If you are really interested, I'm going to make it for you. This is 2-in-1. It's quite long. If you know you're interested, please comment that you're interested and I'll tell you how much I'm selling it. No, I'm just ranting, guys, but honestly, I really make hair. I'm going to be making that hair for beginners. If you know you don't know how to do hair, please subscribe, turn the bell notification on so that whenever I drop that video, you will learn. Because me myself, I don't know how to do hair, but all of a sudden I just make this week and I'll be making more weeks like this. So thank you for watching. I love you guys. I really appreciate it, and bye bye.